Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. If your VLC Media Player on Android is showing subtitles out of sync with the video's audio, it can ruin your viewing experience. I will show you exactly how to adjust the subtitle delay to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, you need to open the dedicated subtitle controls while your video is actively playing. Open your video in the VLC app and tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the on-screen playback controls. Tap on the speech balloon icon, which is located in the bottom left corner of the player interface. Click on Subtitles to expand the track options. Next, we need to access the specific synchronization tool to shift the text timing. Within the expanded Subtitles menu, tap directly on the Subtitle Delay option. This will reveal the plus and minus synchronization buttons overlaying your video screen. Finally, you can fine-tune the timing until the text perfectly matches the spoken dialogue. If the subtitles are appearing too early, tap the plus button to delay them. If the subtitles are appearing too late, tap the minus button to fast-forward them. Each tap adjusts the timing by exactly 50 milliseconds, allowing for highly precise synchronization. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.